Just another update of the Volcano tank. I added a plant here. A plant there. And a plant back there. Let's see what the rest of this looks like. My Java ferns just going gangbusters. Rainbows are going gangbusters. My sorry dwarf grass that I got, I'm hoping that there was enough green in there to where it might make a comeback. I just ordered those. I got one of my bucephalandras, the Godzilla. And there's the brownie phoenix. And look at the color on those red tiger lotus. I just love that plant. Take a look at it from above. I got all my red root floaters, which don't turn red. Not in my tank anyway. My hygro's getting a little color on it as well. And there we go. That's the new update.